One of the main questions that we get is what is the difference between a deep clean and a basic clean. Today, we're going to show you a deep clean. So first, we're going to go ahead and start cleaning the tops of the shoe, like the outer parts of the shoe, because that's part of the deep clean, you know? You get the outer parts, we go to scrubbing, getting all the stains off, the initial dirt off, you know, making sure we get all the details, making sure we don't mess anything up. Then we go ahead and start cleaning the bottoms and start getting that dirt out of the bottoms. And this is a very detailed process. You gotta, go through a couple steps, and then you gotta get them right. You gotta get them clean, no dirt left behind. You know what I'm saying? You get the steam cleaner, whatever we gotta do to get them stains out of there is what we're gonna do. So then we're gonna go ahead and pat it dry, the whole entire shoe, top, bottom, everything. We're gonna pat them dry. You feel me? Now we're gonna get the insoles of the shoe, which is also part of the deep clean. The insoles, the outer soles, the midsoles, every part of the shoe is in the deep clean, right? So we got an insole, bomb. This is how they look without oxidation, you know what I'm saying? Because these are nicely clean, but we got yellow and we got the bottom. So now what we're gonna do is put them in oxidation, and we're gonna get these results, Now they're white, crispy, ready to be rocked again. Love these. This is the second time we clean these shoes. If you don't know, and thank you.